You're gonna like it at my place, Snake-O. And my roommate's gonna love you.
We interrupt this program to bring you a breaking news bulletin. The governor has issued an official snake advisory. Multiple snake attacks have been reported.
Man, I hate politics. Blech. Barnabas, hey, check it out. I got us a pet.
Oh, hey, Reggie. Oh, no. Is that a...
It's a snake, Barnabas. Our very own pet snake.
No way, man. Those things are venomous.
Ah, that's an old wives' tale, superstition. Look at him. He's harmless.
Ugh. No, Reggie, even still, we can't keep it. Don't you remember? I'm allergic to snakes.
Fine, you win. I guess I'll throw him in the trash. Man, what a waste of $20. What the hell was that?
I think that snake bit me last night. Look at these marks.
What are you talking about? That snake is long gone. I threw it in the trash.
No, Reggie, I looked right at it. It bit me.
You probably just cut yourself on those rings you're always wearing.
You think I'm crazy, don't you?
We could call an exterminator. Or a psychiatrist.
I'll prove it. I'm gonna set up a videotape camcorder in my bedroom. And when the snake comes back tonight, I'll get it on film once and for all. Then we'll see who's crazy.
Hey Barnabas, your coffee's getting cold.
Snake tape.
Just like I thought. You've been staying up late watching those old snake movies again. That snake is long gone.
It attacked me, Reggie! The snake! It's real!
It's all in your head, Barnabas. Look, I'm staying with my new girlfriend tonight. Having the place to yourself might, help you relax.
How do I stop it?
wakey.
You're dead, Snakey.
That's the last of them.
I'm gonna miss you, man. But I'm glad you're moving in with your girlfriend.
Hey, I'll still come visit. By the way, mind if I take that old vacuum cleaner with me?
Be my guest, Reggie. Be my guest. There's a fucking snake in it.